Guys, y'all see my eye? That's how hot it is. You know it's hot when you do your eye like this. We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around, guys. Special thanks to Copart. I know y'all see the glasses on my shirt, man. That's because it's super hot out here, man, and you know, the glasses ain't gonna do nothing but fall off my face. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for me, man. I appreciate the Hustle Nation. Join the Hustle Nation if you haven't already, man, by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell. Appreciate y'all, guys. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. Link in the description below, man. TikTok, Instagram, and make sure you guys go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy and sell cars, check out cars, learning how to properly inspect cars, you know, and not getting a lemon. And I'm gonna show y'all how to buy a car from Copart without a dealer license and IAA without a dealer license. So got a lot of packages on there for y'all. Make sure y'all check it out, man. It's super hot. Y'all see I got one eye open. It's so hot. So we're gonna make this super quick, man. We got this new BMW, not new, but it's new in the yard. I've been seeing it here before, so it's new. Y'all know I've seen like most of this stuff in this yard. Real quick, these duals quad exhaust, they kind of got my attention right here. Hopefully it cranks up, we can see how it sounds. But got a busted windshield. I'm not sure if this is the original color of this car. Y'all let me know. Look like you got a diffuser on here and stuff like that too, like a rear yeah, diffuser. I think that's what you call it. 141 on the miles. Okay, this window's messed up, so don't feel like fighting with that window right now, guys. So we're definitely gonna keep it moving. Here go Acura TL. Wait, here go another one right by it. They put them BMWs right by it, so we can compare the two and see if it's actually a kit. So this one definitely got something different going on here. This is different. This is fake. Seats is different. Ain't the seats different? These seats do not look like the original BMW seats. I'm not sure. It may be original BMW, but it just looks a little different as far as the cloth and the leather goes. Let's see. Boy, oh boy. Oh, and it says M on it. I don't think this thing has power. Let's see if we can move it. Hold on, guys. Y'all bear with me. Yep. So no power in this thing, but oh wow, look at the roof, guys. I wonder if they had something done to this. Y'all check it out. Y'all let me know in the comments below if they had something done to this thing, because look at the roof. The roof going crazy on there. Whew, it's hot in there, boy. Shit. Sheesh. All right, so you could definitely see the difference. They both got quad exhaust, but this one has more of a beefy look as far as the bumper, the skirts, even the fender flares rather. All leather in this one. Got the screens. Ooh, this one gonna crank up though. Like I say, 177 on this one. Y'all know I'm not the BMW man, but we'll crank it up and see how it sounds. Wow, actually sounds pretty decent. All that battery lights on though. And it seems like it's shaking a little bit. Hold on, I spoke too soon. Yeah, I didn't mean it to rev it that high. And you can see the temperature hand. Temperature hand's all the way to the F. So this one, I'm good on BMWs, man. You know, I don't make my job no harder than what it has to. I don't want to change no sensor or nothing, especially not on no damn BMW, because y'all already know how that goes. Sometimes you'll change something and you've been wasted your time, your complete time. So I'm good on the BMWs. I don't even really like using BMWs like that. Now this Acura TSX, I kind of wanted one of these for like a get around car. These kind of hold their value though still. Looks like they added that. Stinks in here. It smells like weed and oh yeah. Hey, I guess it don't smell that bad actually. I guess it don't smell that bad, huh? But yeah, it definitely smells like weed and something else. Like, smell the weed smell. Oh, we got power too. Whew. That's some of that. Ugh, what you call it out? Whew. Ah. Sounds good. Man, you don't mind letting that down some. That window over there don't go down. Woo. Super hot, ladies and gentlemen. Boy, I tell you, it's hot out here. When I tell y'all it's hot out, what the hell is the I think it's supposed to be over there, but it's gone. Hold up, y'all. I ain't tweaking. I used to have one of these, and it was right here. Not one of these cars, but the Honda Accord. Y'all know this is the same as the Honda Accord. What the hell? Man, it would be so hot, and I can't find it right now. Probably is a string. Let's look around the car just in case we see a thing or something we don't like before we waste our time. Bumper's off a little bit. It's not that bad. Dent right there. Whew. Boy, it is hot. Where the freak is the lever? There it is. Wow, I didn't even see it right there. Wow, good thing about this though, the AC is working. So, okay. We can actually probably raise these windows back up. Whew. Let's raise that up. These windows be messed up sometimes. Raise all that up, man. AC on. Right there. Whew. Boy, oh boy. Like I say, this is the same model as like a 03, 03, 04, 05 Honda Accord. Y'all can see it, same motor, everything, 2.4 dual overhead. What is this? Got something loose right there, whatever that is. Oh, okay, that's broke. I'm gonna just hold it. I ain't got time for this right now. Got a little oil down there. So, I'm gonna check this one out, guys. I'm gonna actually check this one out, see what we got, man. I'm digging it. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but the AC works. That's a good sign. 209,000 miles on it. This ain't nothing. Y'all know we're gonna put some JB oil right here and push that joint right back, and it'll stay. 2004 model. Hopefully it's kind of heat up, cooled off in this thing. Oh, I thought I was about to. Ooh, that's the only thing about them leather seats, boy. Let's move it up some. Ooh. Actually feels good, y'all. So give me a minute. I'm about to check this one out. See if this one is gonna be worth me sitting here some more. So I'm about to do all my wehustledaily.com tricks to this joint. Make sure I don't get no limits. So I'll be right back with y'all. Cut. All right, guys, and this one actually seems like a good car. Unfortunately, it's not up for sale yet. So I'm not about to sit here and like check it the way I really want to check it, because it's not for sale yet. But what year is it? 2004. But it's not for sale yet, and they don't have the document, the title status on there. So I don't know if it's a clean title, salvage title, or anything like that. So with that being said, we're going to keep it moving, man. And you know, we got to figure out if it needs a clear title, or I mean, if it's a clear title first. Y'all know me, I only buy clear title vehicles because the inspection process and all of that, it just takes too long in this state to be able to resell it and get a rebuilt title. I ain't got time for all that. Y'all know big play rate selling cars in a day. Y'all think I got time to be waiting all this time? I do got a question for y'all. Would y'all rather the Acura TL, or y'all rather the TSX, or y'all rather the IS? I think most of y'all probably gonna say the IS because it's a Lexus, but that Acura ride's good though. But y'all see the damage on this one. Door, got that tan interior, you know, door, and the front fender right here. So y'all let me know in the comments below which one y'all picking, but let's keep moving, see if we can find something else. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, guys, let's see what we got, man. We got the, I think this is the electric vehicle, let's see. Oh no, it's just an A5. It's just an A5. Thought it was the electric car, but it's not. 20,000 miles on it. Ooh, the interior looks kind of crazy. Smells good in here. One sunroof. Got the front of the car in the car. 20,000 miles on it. Gotta love the gauges on this thing. That's probably why it smells so good right there. What kind of scent is that right there, y'all? Y'all see what scent that is. But check it out though, man. This joint looking good. I like the screen and everything. Let's see, actually. No power, guys. Unfortunately. Let's see. No power, so turn that off. But it looks good though. Like nice gauges and stuff. I think so. It's nice. It's nice. It's decent. It's alright. It's alright. What y'all think? It's alright. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Kind of remind me of a Porsche on the inside a little bit, but it's cool. It's decent. Y'all let me know what y'all think. 2020, by the way, A5. So it's the 2020 joint. So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it's decent. It's alright. Give y'all the full look one more time. Y'all see the damage right there. Nothing too bad. Nothing too major. Y'all see it is the hatch version. So the hatch comes up. And you got some damage on the back too. So how you get hit on the side and the back? We got your Chrysler 300S right here. Leather. S on the seat. Beats on the door. Speakers. Screen. It's alright. Nothing too special about it. And it's the V6, so really nothing too special about it. Let's keep moving. Alright, we got a new Acura here along with the old Acura. But this one caught my attention because it's actually off the ground right here. See it? It's the RDX off the ground. That's crazy. I don't even know. Oh, this load that much in the front that it came off the ground. Let's see if we got power. Nope. Of course not. That joint is off the ground. Oh, boy, I know it's hot in here. I just want to check out the interior, see what it look like. Damn, 50,000 miles on this one. They've been driving this one. What y'all think? 2019 model. Ooh, let me get in here. Let me see. Kind of plain though. Big roof though, panoramic. Kind of plain Jane though, if you ask me. Oh. But you can see the damage. That damage is pretty bad. This is definitely a new one because I have not seen this one in here before. But we got this Acura. Let's see what else, man. All right, let me go on the other side because I'm not seeing nothing on this side new. I hope everything's the same old, so yeah. Toyota Venza, Santa Fe, yeah, guys. So let's go on the other side of this thing, see if we can find something else, guys. Y'all see my eye? That's how hot it is. You know it's hot when you do your eye like this. All right, we got another Lexus IS over here in the cut. Looks like brand new. Look at that. That white look like it's brand new. Man, oh man, it's an IS-300. Nice wheels. I like these wheels on this car. The airbags went out. I like the white in this car right here. The white in this car go crazy. It's like, it's so bright, like, I don't know. White don't look good on all cars, but on this one look good. It's regular black interior. 7,000 miles only on this one. Y'all see it, 7,000 miles. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, this one is a 2019. 2020, my bad, 2020. I always do that. 2020. Y'all see it though. Okay. Check engine light on. Hold up. Check engine light on. Sound good though. Don't look like there's really no damage done to the front. I mean, yeah, it is damage done to the front. But not that bad. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Not that bad. So you got the front, you got the fender, you got the door. Damn, never mind. You got all of this. You got this. Yeah, damn. You got this. Damn. Yeah, this one gonna need some work, y'all. I ain't gonna flex to y'all, so y'all see it though. All right, Hustle Nation, it ain't nothing else in there, y'all. It ain't nothing else in there, man. I had to take my damn hat off, boy. It's so hot out there, boy. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Look at my shirt. Look how hot it is. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Ain't nothing new in there. Ain't nothing new in there, guys. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I say, man, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell for your boy, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I love y'all, man. I'm out.